Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Z here, and today's gonna be just a short unboxing video of this parcel that I brought from an online seller to Lazada, which is the Philippines version of Amazon. This is supposed to be a budget action cam, not really the more expensive GoPro level. I don't have the money for that, but nonetheless an action cam. The reason why I ordered this was because when we went to Boracay a couple of weeks ago, I realized a regular camera ain't gonna be good for adventure vlogging because based on actual experience with my Sony ZV-E10, since I was always worried that it might slip off my grip and fall into the water or get damaged by the splashing water while filming over the waves. It's good. I think it's good for taking B-rolls. So here we are, and hopefully this online item is legit and that there are no issues with the delivered product. If all is good, I'll definitely gonna recommend this seller to you guys. I'll be making a separate video for the tutorial, but for now, let's go ahead and check if what we are expecting is really inside this package.
Switching to AI voice, guys. Because the audio recorded is to static key, I can't use it. Looks like I did receive the correct item. The bubble wrapping is good and tight. It says Full HD 1080p sports camera, with waterproofing down to 30 meters deep underwater. I think that what this means. This time I just hope that there is no issue with the item, that it's working, and nothing missing from the package. Here is the main star of the show, the camera inside the waterproof housing that came in the box. While these are the other accessories for attaching the camera to our helmets. It also came with the battery. The only thing missing is a memory card that I will need to purchase separately. This is how to unlock the waterproof casing. At the top, slide this lock switch to the direction of the arrow. Hold the sliding switch in place while you flip up the latch from the front, and then flip the other end of the latch up from the back. The back cover of the waterproof casing can now be opened. I tried this camera with the battery that came with it, and it did switched on. Although I have not actually tested it for recording because I still need to buy a memory card, which is not included in the purchase. For now that is okay because at least it is powering on. I am still satisfied with the fact that the seller shipped the correct item ordered, and that at least it is turning on with the battery. This is not a sponsored video, but if you wish to check the listing out for yourselves, I will leave the link in the description box below for your convenience. That's it for now. Thank you so much for sharing your time. This is Z, and as always, stay creative, beautiful people. By the way, since I haven't yet tested the recording of this camera, this is not my final word. For now, what matters is that I have received a complete product, and there are also cheaper price for the same item posted online for sale. Godspeed, everyone.